Hello, good morning.
Hi ma'am, very good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fit and fine. Thank you for asking to you.
Okay. Please introduce yourself first of all to knowing you better.
So my name is Sai Krishna. I'm from Hyderabad. If I talk about my education background, so I have completed my master's in computer science. Right now, I'm not working anywhere. I am preparing my software developer interviews. Simultaneously, I'm construction on my English enhancing. Yeah, that's it, myself.
Okay, that's great. Should I introduce myself?
Yes.
Okay. My name is Susmita Kaushik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, I'm doing master degree as well as I have done PGDC, the computer course also. I'm a married person, mother of one person. Nowadays, I'm running YouTube channel as well. Name is Global English Quest. About my hobbies, I like cooking, reading, playing badminton. That's all about me.
Nice to hear. Nice to hear. Cool. Yeah.
Okay. When you started your learning journey,
I think almost it's 45 to 50 days hardly. Not much more time. Like just around 40 to 45 days. Like
what did you say? 40?
40 to 45 days. I think I'm working on my
Okay.
English enhancing. Like a consistency. I'm working on this. Earlier days I used to speak occasionally. Like some other person don't know my mother tongue or Hindi. That time I used to speak with them in English. Very like last 1 month I'm working on it. Yeah.
Okay, okay then. What you do for enhance your communication apart
Nothing.
from speaking?
Yeah, nothing. Like there is no behind reason. Like consistency. I'm connected with the people, and remaining like rest of the time, I used to watch conversation videos, some native speakers vloggings. Yeah, and I would like to watch cricket. So some sports. Yeah, yeah. I like I select an English commentary. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's great. Your native language is Hindi
Not.
or any?
It's a Telugu. It's Telugu. It's called Telugu.
Yeah. Why? What is the reason of South Indian people? Most of they do engineering, software engineering, hardware engineering. Why? Any reason there?
Nothing here. Nowadays in our side is most of the people not choosing software developer. Like what happened? It is our side. Like most of the students after plus two completed first two plus two, they automatically choose engineering diploma only. Like whoever become from village background like me, we are choosing very different. I did not completed my BTech. Like I completed just my bachelor's degree, normal degree, BSc. Then after I pursued, I completed my master's as well. Like some persons like having some childhood dreams wanna become a software, some,
Engineering.
yeah, some type of family pressure as well. Like the parents also having dreams. Yeah, my daughter or my son become a software engineer. Less time to earn huge amount like kind.
Yeah, I talked with many people from that side. Every people is software engineer in technical way. That's why I wanted to ask you, what's the reason?
Yeah,
Maybe there is lots of job are available. That's the reason. Maybe
yeah.
they do not feel any kind of difficulties to find job.
Yeah, but nowadays it's not possible, not easy to get a job. Across world there are recession and going there. Every companies, removing the employees. But it's not easy to get a software job. It's also very difficult. Not much to compare to government sector exams, but was 60 to 70% is difficult. Why? Because it's completely based on English communication, and rest of the coding is very difficult. Even though like
Uh,
whoever having 20 years experience, all of a sudden he switch to any other domain, he also confused. Like it's yeah, coding is very difficult.
yeah, everywhere is finding job is very difficult nowadays because
Yeah.
competition is going on everywhere.
Yeah.
Have you given interviews anywhere to get job?
Yeah, right now there is no openings. I'm ready for that. Before earlier, last 3 months back, I attended 5 interviews, but I could not reach their requirements.
Okay. You haven't do job anywhere yet.
Yeah, earlier days I used to work in the banking sector as a customer service manager, relationship manager. Right now I'm not working anywhere. Completely I'm focused on my, I think I have had some health issues while working there banking sector. So then I stopped that. Then again I restarted my journey to in software field. Basically I'm IT student. So that's what. So right now I'm not working anywhere. Just I'm again I restart my journey.
Okay, that's great. Okay, which kind person are you?
Like what do
Can
you
you
mean?
explain anything? Your behavior, which kind of person? You are a cool person, you are an angry person, which kind of person? You have
Sometimes,
some,
yeah, basically, I'm shy person, introvert person. Earlier days, I am not able to interact with any people, eye to eye contact. I like some type of introvert. When I with my family, that time, sometime, automatically, like, right now I'm job hunting, job struggling. Still now I'm struggling stage. So some other person asking, relatives asking again and again my job related or whatever it is. So that time I'm having some, some type of, yeah, rest of the
it make you
time,
disturb.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can understand this. And if you have any question to ask me, then you can ask.
Yeah, right now I don't have questions like you are said, like you are a YouTuber. So, what is the behind reason why you create YouTube channel? There is any motto, a particular reason?
Yeah.
And which
Yeah,
purpose you are
there's
of, which purpose you become a YouTube? You are a YouTuber. Which purpose?
okay. For first of all, I want to enhance my communication. That is the main motto to create YouTube channel. First of all, and yeah, I'm getting improvement after creating this channel. I got lots of people to connect every day, and I can see my changes. You know, what I was, and what am I now. So I can see, visible change after watching my videos on videos. That is the main first reason. Yeah, that's why I created my YouTube channel.
Okay, okay. You are behind the motto and like you enhance your English only.
100%. Yes.
Yeah, like which type of content you are uploading your channel?
Just related conversation video. Sometimes I create a solo video as well to
Like as a
beginners.
vloggings, like kind of vloggings.
Not
You do
exact blogging.
vloggings?
It's education related.
Yeah, yeah,
No,
yeah.
I don't make
Yeah.
bloggings.
How many subscribers do we have? Till?
Uh, I have I think 950 subscriber yet, because
Yeah.
I recently created channel before 3 months before, and in 1.5 month I didn't upload any kind of videos due to holiday.
Yeah, what do you think about like you are thinking about like yes, I am my channel like growing like yeah, fast and fast. Or you are thinking like like my channel is not growing like I don't getting more subscribers and views. You are thinking like this
Yeah,
sometimes.
if I running channel, then definitely I think like this. I automatically it's start to expect. I should get much of views and subscribers. It's happened before creating channel. I did not think like this. Just for improving my English. Nowadays, I'm expecting little bit. I have to get little views and subscriber. It's naturally it's happening with me nowadays, because I used to run YouTube channel before that also as a cooking related videos. I used to upload there. I already said my another hobbies is cooking, so there was going on good. uh, Unfortunately, I did not continue this channel due my baby is so young, and I have to do another things also. So yeah, sometimes I expect, and I try, and I don't want to check again and again, but I don't know why my hands automatically go there, and I check there how
Yeah,
many
it's happening. It's
subscribers.
happening. Even though everyone used to WhatsApp, without even though if I am also like I am also using my mobile after my post graduation did it, I don't have a smartphone that time, so I don't have mobile as well. So after completed my master, that time only my father gives one small mobile smartphone. That time knows, even though I don't have a recharge, that time also automatically every 10 seconds I open my phone and I'll check the WhatsApp. There is no reason, but automatically will it habited like that. So for example, you're having something, we having something, so it's habiting, like it's becoming habit to check and browse something. So and also you
Yes.
are like this person, when you are going to upload one video, then you very curiosity to
Views,
read
how much
comments.
views,
Not views,
how
I'm
much?
asking like comments. I'm asking about comments. You are looking for
Okay.
the, waiting for the comments to read the comments. You are feel like happy sometimes, whatever it is. You are like
Yes,
this
yes.
person or somewhere like you avoid those comments.
Yes, definitely. If I get positive comment, then it makes me happy.
Yeah, yeah, I
Makes
see.
me
Like I have this question, like, when I met someone, like, in a conversation, or some other my friends also, they are having YouTube channels, like they are doing some food related, food reviews and movie reviews channels. So that time I asked with them why, because, some persons who know, like, they are not happy with the subscriber, they are not happy with the views and likes. Like some
Mhm.
person they're reading the reading the comments, while in the comments only they are getting feel happy more and more, like they are,
Yes.
so that's what I'm asking the question.
Yeah, it makes us energetic, to do
Yeah,
something better again and
yeah,
upload
one
again
type of,
videos.
yeah, one type of appreciation.
Yes.
Yeah, that those are worthless, like priceless, priceless appreciations. Like,
You don't think to create YouTube channel?
no, 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 no. I have like
Okay.
idea. How like when I become like no, I'm not. I'm feeling like I'm a become an expert. Even though right now I'm also think myself like right now I'm able to respond others' concern. Like right now I'm in this situation. When I become an expert, that time I think I'll become. I don't know on the my profession or on this English. I don't know, but after I'm thinking like those stage, like 45 to 55 years stage, that time I will do whatever it is, like as a teaching profession or something online profession. We don't know, no? Like right now we are living in 2024, to compare with 2040 or 45, that time how technology is growing, and we don't know, we can't imagination, that's completely beyond our imagination. So that time what happened is, there is any physical classes, that time I am available, that time I am able to go and teach something, any technical or English, whatever it is. Right now I am having two dreams after retirement. Like not in before retirement, I do only technical only, like software.
Okay, that's good. Everyone has their own perspective, own point of view. Yeah, most of the people they want to nowadays a YouTube world. They want
Yeah,
to
yeah.
create their
I
own
think, I think,
content.
I think, like you guys are doing very such a great thing, great job. It's priceless. I think priceless. What you are guys doing, like you guys are all managing your household chores and your kids managing and your life partner, and early morning you wake up and do all things and cooking whatever, and you scheduled one time limit, sessions, and you'll attend sessions and recording, after editing and uploading. Even though, like as a men to woman, like woman is very, very, very high level in my view of point. When we are feel like when we are feel not well, that time we used to not going any office, whatever it is, sitting inside home, and like some feel sad, like compared to you, compared to you guys, women who are like also my mother also, she do like same like this. I learned from her. So even though my mother got my some early morning, she got her migraine, migraine headache. So that time also he don't complain about herself to any other one. So whatever her duty, he do, like he do her duty regularly. Like that's what I said, like men to women is very great. Who is working women or part timer, whatever. Yeah, it's great thing.
Yeah, thanks so much first of all to understand, because very rare people can understand about how much.
Right,
Yeah,
right now I'm also last 5 days to I'm suffering from ill and cold. So that time I'm not doing anything. Even though I'm not eating right time, so I'm not sleeping right time. So compared to so as a woman, that's a wonder. It's a wonder. I can't say like no comments on this. So that's what you guys are not complaining about yourself to any other. You are not shouting on any others like I am suffering ill and whatever headache, back pain, whatever
yes,
it is, legs pain. But what's your duty? Like you are, you manage all entire your home things, household chores and cooking, your kids, your husband and your husband, parents, whatever it is. Yeah, that's what I know that why because I experienced like when my mom got some health issues that time also she do all things she did all things. Yeah, yeah.
yes, definitely.
Compared to
Getting
YouTubers, it's next level, next level. It's a next level. Yeah,
Yeah, there are lots of responsibility, we can have to fulfill, especially being a mother. Our responsibility it will be increased too much, and we can't sacrifice anymore to our towards our kids in
yeah.
our
That's
towards
that's what uh,
family.
that's what someone asking to question. I think last 5 days back, some YouTuber asked to me like, "What's your dream or whatever?" Like after getting job, what is like some casual. She's an IT YouTuber, just casual talk in the audio call. So that time I said like my dream just get a software job. After getting job, that I support my family. I clear entire some financial loans, whatever it is. Then I buy some jewelry to my mom. She sacrificed entire life. I know. So that's what. This is all
Yeah,
my dreams only. I don't
every mother.
have. I don't have
Yes,
any big dreams like after getting job I buy bike, I buy like car and whatever flat. Like I don't have like this. So I think every time about my parents, my mom and my dad. They are they're sacrificing entire life to. We are three kids. Yeah, we are three low. So that's what they are sacrificing more and more their entire life. So that's what.
definitely, that is true.
Yeah, rest of the time, I think I should support them. I should help them like yeah,
Definitely, definitely, that is our responsibility as
yeah,
a kid. Yeah, they did so hard things, and any other can't do how much they did for us.
yeah. They are they
Definitely,
are
we
they
should.
are sacrifice. They are sacrifice their personal things, basic things as well. Even though like they don't have money that time, they are they sacrifice their food. They don't have sufficient amount that time. Also they sacrifice like every time very well. I think you are a mom, so you know very well. If even though there is only one cup of rice, that time what you do. Like that time you think about your kid, then
Yes,
second your husband only like you don't think
definitely,
about yourself. So that's what I know everything about moms. So that's what my next dream is only like so yeah, I'm waiting for that.
definitely,
Yeah,
definitely. Your thinking is very good. God helps you
yeah,
in
I'm
this
waiting.
case.
I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm ready for the company's doors knocking. I'm ready for the yeah for that.
Okay, okay, that's great.
Yeah,
Okay, I
yeah.
think we have to wrap up the session. It's
Yeah.
24 minutes.
Yes. So
Okay,
I think
yeah,
thank you for connecting me. It's enthralling conversation with you. I learned a lot. I think while conversation something not everyone not open up, not revealing entire things. Someone other person like feel like one like that time only we are really reveal all things. So yeah, I hope like I
yeah.
feel like you are my family person. So that's what I reveal entire thing. Yeah. So
Okay, okay.
thank you once again. Yeah, yeah,
Connecting me. Okay, thank
yeah,
you. Bye.
yeah. Bye,
Have
man.
a
Have a
good
nice
day.
day. Yeah, have a nice day. Same here.